Hello.
Hello,
I'm Vibhav
I'm Narita.
and welcome to the Narita and Vibhav show. So, this is our third episode,
Yes.
and this is a continuation from our previous episodes
Yes.
where first we talked about the inner peace.
Yes.
So that was like एक explanation था कि क्यों इतना लाइफ में inner peace नहीं है आजकल कम क्यों
Right.
हमारा एक attempt था explain करने का.
Right.
Then we talked about कि not having the inner peace in a relationship.
Right.
Like that was individual, पहला वाला, then in a relationship.
Right.
And then what to do, how to overcome it.
Right.
And today our topic is from chaos to completion.
Completion.
Right. The journey of your transformation.
Yes.
Right. So please explain the topic.
Yes. So today in our episode we are going to be talking about how inner peace, finding the inner peace, and maintaining it in terms of in terms of those days where you are really like not having the best of your days, because there are some days when things do not go according to how you plan it, right? Maybe you got fired from your job, or your job space is very toxic, or the environment in your house or in your place is not according to how you want it to be, or maybe even in your relationship, which you expect to be like a nice loving space, but things are not working well, sometimes so much so that it goes to the verge of divorce, and there's a lot of pain that you're experiencing, and maybe a lot of unwanted experiences are also coming in your life. For example, you're working for something. There can be a lot of things where you work for something and you did not get that, or some kind of failure or some kind of pain that you have endured. So in those kind of times it becomes even more crucial to be having the correct mindset, so that we can still maintain our inner peace, because when we are peaceful we know how to navigate through those things, because nothing stays the same. So we're going to be discussing in this episode how we can achieve that, how we can achieve that peaceful state even amidst of chaos. And we will be giving proper anecdotes also, how we have done that individually and as a couple, and also what you can do when things are not that smooth.
Right. So I think we can start from the chaos, right?
Yeah.
Right. So like how did it enter?
Right.
Because सब कुछ तो सही चल रहा था,
Right.
है ना? And then suddenly there is chaos. So you do not get chaos, right?
Yeah.
It comes.
It just
because-
suddenly happens.
Yeah, it suddenly happens. So it's not something that you can plan.
Right.
Yeah. So let's take it from ki chaos,
Yeah.
and then what were the consequences,
Yeah.
and then like a journey where you overcome it,
Right.
right? Your completion.
Right.
है ना? So this will be our attempt because we have been through a lot of things, right? Like we have अभी तक हमने realize किया है कि life में things don't go according to the plan.
Right.
बहुत सारे plans we have made. And, so this will be our attempt to explaining जैसे हमने life में क्या क्या face किया है ना, and to explain how to overcome these things. We have made a lot of plans in our lives, and life never goes according to the plans. हमारे 99% plans fail हो गए, right?
Yeah.
हाँ? कोई भी plan, make a plan and then God says what is the saying? Man proposes and God
Disposes.
disposes, right? Yeah. So yeah. So let's start from the chaos part.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how does it enter into your life?
Chaos is so unplanned. It's something which is just not something that you want, but it just happens. For example, say you've been studying for a particular paper, and suddenly it's a party that you have to attend, and you can't miss it.
Yeah.
Then there's someone else's birthday you have to attend.
Or maybe you fell ill.
Yeah, falling ill is like a real thing, but parties is like something you don't want to miss too. And then you are always in that space. Suppose your family is going for a vacation, they're going abroad, everybody is going to have so much fun. So it puts you in a very chaotic state, like what to do. Even while you're studying, you will not be able to focus much. Or maybe you are actually fell down somewhere, or you actually fell sick, and you could not
Or maybe
prepare.
something big happened in your job.
Yeah,
Job,
we're
right?
talking about an exam, first of all.
Yeah. So like that is
Yeah.
exam, but that is
So
like
you
a
flunked in
small
that
cute
exam.
example, right?
Yeah.
Because
Or you got into having like bad connections with friends. Maybe you got friends, you became friends with not the right group of people who were into, say, drugs, or who were into some kind of bad habits that you should not get into. People in college days tend
Yeah.
to get involved in such things, which affects their grades and eventually their life.
yeah, so these are like cute examples,
Yeah.
Exam, your school stuff. But for example, let's say you're in a job,
Yeah.
right, and you have a family and you have the responsibility,
Right.
by kids, parents, right?
Right.
And then something bad happens on a job, right? Maybe you lose the job.
Yeah, I know a friend.
Right.
He got a job offer, and he left his previous job because he thought he was going to get a new job, and then he never got that job, so
Right.
he became jobless.
So that's
Yeah.
the chaos, right?
Yeah.
Right. And similarly, for example, you're preparing for some exam,
Yeah.
right? And it is your like one of
Even
the
bad
last attempt.
financial management.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you
obviously.
expect in the future you're going to get this much amount of money,
Right.
and you spend all your money
Right,
because you
yeah.
thought that in the
Yeah.
future you're going to get this much, and that does not happen, so you're
Yeah.
going to get into a crisis state.
Yeah.
And financial crisis is the worst of all
Hmm.
crises that one can face.
और तुमने घर खरीद दिया, right?
Yeah.
Because you were like कि I'm financially stable. You अपना एक bad financial planning करके you had to buy, let's say, 80 lakh का house. You bought it for 1.5 crore.
Yeah.
And so that is going to create a lot of chaos in your life for a very long time.
Yeah.
It's a real long term
Yes.
thing, right?
Yes.
And then there can be chaos because of the relationship,
Yes.
right? So maybe something happened in the
Bad
relationship.
debts becomes a huge problem
Yeah.
when especially a man gets married and he has kids and then he is under a lot of debt. Managing that becomes a serious thing, because in today's time, getting you so many kind of loans is so easy, but how you repay them becomes a problem and challenge. So many fake promises out there. So how you see through that? It's
Yeah. And then that जो मैं बोल रहा था कि fake promises in the relationship,
yeah.
है ना? So the relationship is not going well. It's a problem.
Yeah, like
It's a chaos.
before marriage and after marriage, both.
Both.
Yeah, like a woman gets into a relationship expecting the guy saying all the truths she can hear, and he's like, yeah, we will get married and we are going to have this and that, and then she gets all physical and all with him, and then later on finds out that the guy is having no intention of getting married whatsoever, and then she's so cheated, and that affects her into her future relationships and her able to trust again, and even in a relationship, the distance that gets created. So many ways you're not expecting your suppose other partner to have an extramarital affair or something, and then you find out that he or she has been having an affair for a long time, and then you lead up to divorce, which is again going to create so much of chaos.
Chaos.
Yeah.
And it can be from the other side also, not just the women perspective.
A man or
मेरे
woman.
साइड से भी है, मतलब you expect something from your partner,
Yeah.
है ना? But आपको नहीं मिल रहा है,
Yeah.
है ना? Maybe you had just high expectations,
Yeah.
or maybe even bare minimum भी जो होना चाहिए वो आपको इधर नहीं मिल पा रहा है,
Yeah.
है ना? तो both the creations again chaos.
Biggest problem comes, I think, when you have evil eye and all. Like suppose in today's time when people are showing so much of their lifestyle on social media, trying to maintain up to that, needs a lot of money. And once when you are into that flaunting thing and then your money suddenly stops, then what do?
Right.
Then you are in a chaotic space.
Right. So that's the chaos. Right.
So many ways of chaos. Chaos is endless. Somebody's unexpected death,
Hmm. Right.
pets death, lot of things are there, but how do you combat? That's the thing we are going to talk about.
Right. So
How do you combat those situations and come out strong instead of failing in
Right.
any of such situations?
Right. So now the chaos has entered, and so now what do you do? Right. So
Yeah.
what do you do in these situations? Right. Is going to have a big impact on your life. Right.
Yes.
Because chaos तो आना ही आना है. किसी के लाइफ में
आ ही
बिना
सकता
chaos
है.
के नहीं, आना ही आना है.
I
किसी
said
का लाइफ बिना chaos के चलता नहीं. आना ही आना है. It's inevitable.
really,
Really? क्या तुम्हारी लाइफ में chaos नहीं आया?
but हो चुका है. Like if you have
नहीं
had
आएगा.
your fair share of chaos,
नहीं
then
तो-
आगे नहीं आएगा.
You don't
That's
know.
what you
You
mean.
don't know that. And also लाइक आया है ना, राइट? तो मे बी समवन आउट देयर उनकी लाइफ में भी नहीं आया है ना?
Yeah, but you're scaring people.
आई एम नॉट स्केयरिंग पीपल, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग chaos इज इनएविटेबल, आना ही आना है। chaos इज आल्सो लाइक
But it's a mindset. If you think आना ही आना है, then you are subconsciously programming your mind.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग जस्ट थिंक ओवर इट कि अब आ रहा है, कल आ रहा है, आ जाएगा, परसों आएगा, कब पहुंचा ट्रेन पहुंचा।
But you be
ट्रेन
ready
पहुंचा।
for always being mentally ready.
I'm trying to go to the next segment.
Okay.
Right. So chaos is there, मतलब chaos तो आना ही आना है, सबकी लाइफ में आना ही आना है। As I said, as we just discussed, right, कि chaos एक तरीके का नहीं होता है। There are multiple forms of chaos, है ना, जैसे we discussed, and chaos destroys your that mental stability, that inner peace that you have. कितना भी अगर try कर रहे हो, अगर chaos हो गया, तो it's gone. Now, how you respond to that chaos is actually going to affect your life long term.
Yeah.
Right? So as I said कि जैसे let's say कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में आ गया,
Yeah.
है ना, तुमने जैसे रिस्पॉन्ड किया है वो आगे ज़िंदगी भर तुम्हारे लिए एक डिसीजन मेकिंग हुआ, इट विल हैव एन इम्पैक्ट,
Yep.
है ना। किसी की लाइफ में नहीं आया, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो मोर फॉर देम जिनके लाइफ में नहीं आया है, क्योंकि कभी ना कभी तो आना ही है।
Yeah.
सो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकम्स वेरी एसेंशियल, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल chaos अगर आएगा तो व्हाट यू डू एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड योर नेक्स्ट 15, 20, 30, 40 years ऑफ योर लाइफ।
Right.
रिलेशनशिप chaos अगर आएगा, उस टाइम पे आप जो डिसाइड करोगे, जो डिसीजन लोगे,
Right.
it's going to impact your like next many
Whether you
years of
will
your life.
have your life or not is also decided.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people at times of chaos, they become so weak and they get so confused that they choose to end their life. Now that is like the worst situation that can happen, because if they can just endure through it for some time, then they will get through it, because life is not always one color. It's not even just dark or in a night. I mean, there is always a morning and there's always brightness out there too. But how you respond to such situations becomes very crucial, as Viplav, you were saying that it will impact your next 15 years or your long term. You should have that in mind, that long term nothing stays the same, things change.
Right.
But if you finish your
So,
life at that
यहाँ
time,
पे- so-
then I've seen, because
So यहाँ
I've
पे the
personally
thing is-
I've personally seen
Yeah,
so many
so
people
the
who
thing is
ended their lives.
that यहाँ पे that you have come to the first part of how to handle it is embracing the change and the resilience, right? So that is what you experience, right?
Yeah,
There is-
firstly, if you embrace the change, then you will pass through it.
Hmm.
But if you resist it, then you might want to end it. Because it's very, very important for us to share this also, that you should not end, you should not quit at that time. If finances are bad, if there is a lot of debt, if there is something bad happens, you don't end your life.
So
That is like,
first step is you embrace the chaos, you know, you take a note of the situation, you know what is going wrong, and you don't stop like resist it. You're not in a position to stop that from happening anymore, so you have to embrace it. आपको समझना पड़ेगा, आपको जानना पड़ेगा, आपको उस सिचुएशन को समझ के कि हाँ ये हो चुका है, यू हैव टू डील विद इट, एंड ये आपको एक स्ट्रेंथ के साथ, एक रेजिलियंस के साथ आपको उसको फेस करना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्विटिंग एंड नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन, बिकॉज ये हो चुका है। chaos has entered your life, chaos has entered your brain, chaos is going to be there,
yeah.
so you have to accept it. That is the first step of moving towards overcoming it.
Right.
जब तक आप उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, आप उसको ओवरकम नहीं
नहीं
कर
कर
सकते, राइट?
Right.
So then let's move on to the next step, which is finding balance in your life, right? So that is the next step towards
Yeah.
overcoming it. So how do you find balance in your life?
By having a routine that you can go to, your morning routine, your night routine. I mean, once that you've accepted that this needs to be something, you either it has happened or it is happening or it will happen in the future. So if it has happened, then you have to let it go. You can't stick to it. You have to understand life goes on, you have to let that go. That's the past. But the body tends to keep the memories of the past. So body wise, it's very important that you cultivate certain routines that keeps your body strong and makes your body feel safe. That's very important. So doing yoga, it's very important to let go of all the past stresses. Doing lot of walks, 30-minute walks in nature, it always helps for everybody. It's just good balanced lifestyle. Waking up in the morning, giving water to Surya Dev, because again that kind of brings a lot of blessings of the sun god in your life, so it will feel light in all the different sectors of your life. Then following a disciplined routine keeps Saturn happy. So try to balance a nine navgraha ka balance rehna bhi it's important. So how you speaking, your karmic cleansing, whatever has happened in the past, right? It might be a part of your past life karmas also. So what we can do to not have such experiences can be dan, dan punya, making that a part of regular habit. Yeah, I think what do you do?
So finding balance, right?
Yeah,
Now, बहुत easy to say थिंग है ना, but actually में practice में लेके आना बहुत मुश्किल है,
definitely.
especially when you're going through chaos
Right.
situation जहाँ पे वे things are not in your control,
Right.
right? So how to find balance is going to be hard, but what you can do is you can try some
Yeah.
little things, है ना? Like you said that going into the routine,
Yeah.
है ना? That becomes very important. So emotions को थोड़ा सा aware रख के do the routine work,
Yeah.
है ना? Don't be very emotionally involved in that thing जो भी हो रहा है.
Just try to feel the gratitude at all times is also very
हाँ,
helpful.
yeah.
That I'm breathing
Yeah.
right now, I'm grateful for the food I'm
Yeah,
getting,
yeah.
I'm breathing good air, I'm
Yeah.
thankful for that.
Hmm.
Whatever.
And having a
Grateful attitude.
And having faith in a supernatural power,
Yeah.
in divine, and leaving your hard things to that thing
The higher
can,
power.
yeah, the higher power can also help,
Right.
right? Because जब आपके प्लेट में पहले से ही इतना सारा है ना, आपको हैंडल करने के लिए, तो some of the responsibilities you can give to your
Yeah.
God
So
and
you
say
feel
please handle it.
someone is there to back you up.
Yeah.
So your efforts are not going
Waste.
waste.
Yeah.
Because as Krishna said, कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर.
Right. Yeah.
And everything is this time.
Yeah, also you get a little bit of strength.
Yeah.
है ना? Also थोड़ा सा mind peace, because as I said कि इतना सारा था तो थोड़ा सा भगवान को छोड़ दिया कि भगवान आप संभाल लो.
Right.
तो थोड़ा सा your brain will feel at
Right.
peace, है ना, कि चलो कुछ मैं कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा भगवान
Yeah,
कर देंगे.
because it also shows what kind of relationship you have with God. Now, these kind of chaotic situations are also a point for all the people who have had spiritual journeys as well. Because you don't just go to a spiritual journey, somehow God brings you to that. So chaos is somehow sometimes planned by God also, that बहुत तेरा life सही चल रहा है, this goes wrong, this goes wrong, this goes wrong, this goes wrong, everything will go wrong, and then you'll be like, now what? Now you have to look somewhere, you look up.
Right.
So when you look up, you get answers, you get response. So kind of your relationship also strengthens with God, and you start feeling that you are under someone's protection. Somebody is there who is actually there for you no matter what. You are never left alone, and that strengthens your relationship more. And when you start thinking of him as your father or as your mother, like actually you start feeling you are his child, then you know that you are taken care of. And the more strongly you believe that, the better it starts
Right.
working.
Also, so मतलब you do your part,
Yeah.
है ना, अपना पार्ट करते रहना है.
Yeah.
And you have to be like होगा तो होगा, किस्मत में होगा तो होगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा.
Yeah. That's what Krishna also said, right?
Yeah.
That doing your part is your bit on earth.
Hmm.
You have to do your part.
If it's a relationship, so you have to keep doing your part for the relationship.
Right.
If the chaos is in the relationship,
Right.
if it is meant to stay, it will stay.
It will stay.
If it is not meant to stay,
It
तो
will
वो-
not
it
stay.
will not
And you
stay.
shouldn't even try also.
हाँ, तो but you should keep doing your
Doing
part.
your bit.
है ना, आपका जो भी bit है उसमें अपना that you
That's
have
very
to keep
important.
doing it. If it's your job, है ना, और if it's some financial situation, तो आप जो कर सकते हैं, you have to keep doing it.
Yeah.
है ना, are you going towards the worst or something going bad, even wrong? So there will be some light at the end
Yeah.
that you will find out. If you keep there, if you have your strength, you're standing your ground, अपना काम, अपना जो बिट है, अपना जो कर्म है उसको कर रहे हो आप, है ना, तो at the end of the day there will be a light.
Right.
You will find it, है ना. बट अगर आप क्विट कर दोगे, अगर आप उसको escapism में चले जाओगे, अगर आप एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करोगे, so the light will not come.
Yeah.
Because if you can just take it in a supernatural way, then chaos is a way where God is trying to show you
Away.
a way,
Right.
right? So at the end of the day, chaos is not that bad. It
Yeah.
is also a
It's how you
time.
see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a time where you find meaning in your life.
Right.
You know, it's that time where you actually get to know about your life
And your strength.
and your strength, obviously,
Yeah.
about your life, about what you are, what kind of person you can be,
Yeah.
right? And how can you take control of your life?
Right.
Because before chaos, you are not in control of your life.
Right.
Everything is just happening.
Yeah.
सब कुछ हो रहा है.
Yeah.
है ना? You are not doing it.
Yeah.
It's only after chaos.
Right.
You know, when you realize that, oh
You
my
are
God,
to take
yeah,
some charge.
you are taken some charge. That oh my God, what has happened to me?
Right. Right.
क्या हुआ है? Right. Only then you take charge, and so chaos is
Not bad.
it's not bad. Obviously, it's bad.
I
For
mean,
the moment, it's
yeah.
very bad.
But it's about your way of perception.
Yeah, it's take it as a learning experience,
Yeah.
which is also the next point and the next step.
Okay.
Right. So take this thing as a learning experience. Don't see chaos as something that has come there to rule.
Bad. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a learning experience. You get to know about yourself. You also get to know about people around you.
Yeah.
Right.
Who's true to you?
Yeah, who's true to you, who supports you, who doesn't support you, right? The relationships are tested, your own strength is
Can
tested.
I come in on this side because you've again been out of it.
But no, that is just the sofa that you are seeing, the
Oh.
black part. So, everything is tested in that
Yeah.
period. It is the period where things are put on test,
Yeah.
and what relationships you have built, they will be tested. What kind of resilience you have built, they will be tested. You know, what knowledge base you have built, they will be tested. How emotionally strong खुद को आज तक तुमने बनाया, it will be tested.
Yeah.
So it's a test. It's like, I don't know, आपको it's an exam given by God,
Yeah.
right? I don't know आपको teens में मिलेगा
Yeah.
या 20s में मिलेगा या 30s में मिलेगा या 60s में मिलेगा,
Right.
right? But it's an exam you have to pass.
Yeah.
Until unless you pass that exam, you are
You
not,
don't level up.
yeah, you do not level up, you do not go in control of your
Yeah.
life, right?
That's
So that's what chaos is. And also, as you said, like a journey to spiritualism,
Yeah.
right? So as you were saying, where do you go from chaos? Where do you go? Go to a completion, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Right. This is a coming full circle.
yeah, so the journey towards the spiritualism,
Yeah.
आपको spiritual होने का part is also like a way,
Right.
you know, because spiritualism is, as we were talking in the last episode also, it's not just like becoming a religious person,
Right.
right? It's also about knowing yourself,
Yeah.
you know.
It's about and aligning the 7 chakras and then connecting with the higher power.
Right.
Yeah.
So
And also, like, of course, the 9 planets and being in sync with the totality of things.
right. So that's what I'm saying. मतलब spiritual होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हरिद्वार में जाके बैठ के गंगा किनारे.
Yeah, it's a
Right.
part.
No, it's that's what I'm saying.
It's
I-
not
for
all
me-
of it, it's
no.
a part of it.
For me, it's not that. मतलब आप अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के काम करते हुए भी you can
Yeah,
be
yeah,
spiritual.
yeah. That is
Right.
given in our.
You're doing your whole routine
It's given in
throughout
our
the day with your
religion
family.
text also that you don't leave everything to become
So
spiritual.
that's
It's
what I'm
called
saying.
karma
कि
yoga.
Spiritualism होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप गंगा में बैठ गए सब कुछ छोड़
I
के
think it's
गंगा
given in
किनारे-
Bhagavad Gita also. It's called karma yoga.
Yeah, it can be a part of it, as in you have gone there for like some time of peace and calm.
Yeah,
Right.
gratitude showing.
yeah,
It's
because-
cleansing.
Yeah, some time of peace where you know इतना हसल बसल से दूर जाके थोड़ा सा
Also,
time.
the water of Ganga, it cleanses your entire soul system.
Right. So
Your
that is a
spiritual
part
body.
of it. But what if you don't go to Haridwar? What if you just go to Manali, right? And you're sitting somewhere in a nice corner जहाँ पे
Yeah, you're
शोर
sitting in the
शराबा
lap
नहीं
of
है,
nature,
right?
which is
Maybe
again
you're just-
Prakriti.
हाँ, तो
Yeah.
you're just in peace. Maybe
Yeah.
you're there for just some quiet time, थोड़ा सा peace time करने के लिए, right? Because chaos से निकल के peace में जाने का ही journey में you are in.
Yeah.
Right. So it is also important, right? And so then have we reached our journey of completion, or is the step left?
I think one more thing is there when today we talk about manifestations, and everybody wants it's very common today, everybody knows about manifestation. So when you want to manifest something, um, when you're very close towards the manifestation, chaos enters in at that time. So to just check, do you really want it, do you really mean it? So universe again tests you, that do you really want what you are saying you want. So that's also something that you need to stick to your routines, you really need to stick to your belief system, your faith. And yeah, I mean, when you have a good routine, you are almost having an anchor, like जैसे बोट होता है पूरा घूम के कहीं पे किनारे में आके अटकता है. So that system if you have, then it helps you navigate through different phases of your life. जैसे sun is always going to be there wherever you are on earth. So जो sun में you put water, it actually strengthens your sun in your life, in your birth chart, and it will bring you a lot of power, a lot of opportunities, a lot of growth, prosperity. Similarly, you're trying to balance your Shani Dev by say doing your dincharya, your basic activities, or talking properly to people, laborers, or people who are helping you, or keeping your bed properly. Basic things again keeps Shanidev, who is a very old planet, in balance. So you will see that you will not be given dand by him. Like it's said that Shanidev is the justice planet out of all the planetary systems. So when you are not doing the right thing and you are not in the right uh, track of life, so you are put in the right track by giving punishments. So those punishments will escape if you just make sure that you're doing the right thing, when you have that conscious mindset. So you automatically feel peaceful within when you want to give peace outside, and your behavior towards others and your behavior towards everything around you is of a peaceful nature. So when you radiate peace, naturally your life also tends to become peaceful, because everything around you is a outward projection of your thoughts, and your thoughts have become peaceful. So internally you have become peaceful. So now you don't come to this place immediately in life. Obviously, I don't think I was like this 10 years back, but the journey of spirituality, the journey within, takes you to a place wherein you understand chaos, and you understand that you don't have any control over anything outside except for yourself. So that faith develops, and as you said, that even in relationship you don't try to control things. The art of letting go just comes naturally, because if somebody is meant to be with you, they will be with you. You don't have to force it, they will be, because you will just make sure that you do your part right. You will not try to force anything on anybody, that you have to be with me, you can't do this, you can't do that. You will be much more chiller, much more relaxed, because you will have faith in the Almighty, and you will do your bit, and you will know that with or without, you will be still taken care of. So for anything in life, whether it's a job, whether it's another person, whether it's a situation, circumstance, home, property, money, anything, you are not obsessively attached. So the art of detachment naturally flows in when you accept the flow. You know that you'll be taken care of. So that kind of also develops after the chaos, because you've seen that there was a force that was guiding you, there was a force which was always holding you, it never let you down. So the more you will see that, the more you will know that I'll be taken care of. I just have to take care of my action. The 5 things that are given in our Hindu Dharma also, anybody can follow that. That controlling on your lust, your greed, your lies, um, anger, and hunger, right? 5 vices. The 5 negative vices, if you can control on that, you tend to become a much more stronger individual. So your karmic balance also happens with that, because if you cheat somebody, then somebody will also cheat you. So whatever you will do, you will get that back. You hurt someone, you will also get hurt. So yeah, so it's an overall totality of you becoming a better version of yourself, and ready to accept the bigger things in life, because your core foundation has become stronger. So I think that's why God really puts you through those trials and tribulations that we call chaos.
Right. So I think there's enough for this episode.
Yeah, we spoke for 30 minutes. Yeah, but it was good things we talked about.
So what we talked about is your journey from chaos to completion. Chaos is inevitable, आना ही आना है, आपको डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ इट, उसको एम्ब्रेस करिए, उसको एक्सेप्ट करिए एंड देन फाइंड अ बैलेंस इन योर लाइफ एंड कम आउट स्ट्रॉन्गर ऑन द अदर साइड.
Yeah.
टेक इट एज अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, टेक इट एज अ टेस्ट. आपको अपने बारे में पता चलेगा, आपको अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स के बारे में पता चलेगा, अपने आपको वीकनेसेस के बारे में पता चलेगा, आपको अपने सराउंडिंग्स के बारे में पता चलेगा. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ chaos,
Yeah.
embrace it, and find your own way to the peace. And
You know you are made of stardust, so you're strong.
yeah, you're strong, you will come out of it, everybody will come out of it. Just be resilient, have this
And be
strength.
kind.
Yeah. So this is Narita and this is Viplav signing off for today's episode. Hope to see you in the next episode number 4. किस बारे में बात करें, कोई आइडिया? No idea right now.
Okay.
We'll see.
Bye. Stay
Bye.
tuned. Lots of love.
Yeah.